Let's break down the new deduction for seniors that came in the One Big Beautiful Bill. This is going to be a really nice tax break for those whose income is not limited by it. So if you're age 65 plus, you're going to get an extra $6,000 in your deduction if you file single and $12,000 if you're married filing jointly, as long as your income isn't too high. And that income limit is $75,000 for individuals and $150,000 for households. Now, this is for standard deduction, and it's going to stack on top of the existing deduction. For a single taxpayer in 2025, you've got your normal standard deduction. That's going to be $15,750. If you're 65 and plus or blind, you're going to get an extra $2,000 deduction. Then you're going to get this new $6,000 senior deduction. So your standard deduction is now $23,750. Married couple, same thing. You'd get the standard deduction, $31,500. An extra $3,200 is just kind of the normal 65 plus deduction. And then the extra $12,000 for a total of $46,700. Now, the One Big Beautiful Bill puts this into law tax years 2025 through 2028. So this is kind of a golden planning opportunity. If you're kind of thinking through your income, you're going to want to try to maybe pull some extra income into these years instead of, say, future out years. You can do things like Roth conversions, realize capital gains, potentially take Social Security earlier than maybe you were planning. But you're definitely going to want to think about how you can best optimize your tax situation. Hope you're able to take advantage of this. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share with anyone you think would benefit. Thanks.